What's up? What's up? What's up? This your boy Zeke Dawg, and I'm back with another video. So today is the day White Lightning. Oh, I said White Lightning. The White Walker goes away. That's White Lightning. This is the White Walker. Yeah, man, it's time for me to go and drop off in the shop, get my repairs done, and we're gonna go from there. Hey, Dawg team, if you're in the market to get a truck, you know where to go. Give Lone Mountain a call, go to their website, check out their inventory, and find yourself your next truck. Gotta drop this trailer. About to put my truck in front of this trailer so I can get everything out of my truck and then take the big truck over to the shop. Alright, Dawg team, man, I got everything up out of here. Got my garbage in the refrigerator. Ain't really garbage, but it's about to be turning into garbage. But yeah, stick this over here. But yeah, they're primarily gonna be working on this side. They're gonna have to move the bed out the way. And hopefully my subwoofer ain't in the way, but I don't know. Everything from up here. Also, when you're dropping off your vehicle to the shop, go on here and log out of your truck. Otherwise, you're gonna get back and you ain't gonna have no time. You're gonna be on duty for 1,000 hours. Oh man. Yep. Here she go. Y'all know what it is, man. Time to get that work. Alright, Dawg team, man. It's time for the White Walker to return. Dun it. I need to have some crazy music in the background. I probably still got my same regular background music. Y'all be like, Zeke, change it up. Man, it's hard to satisfy everybody, man. Some people like it. Some people don't care. Some people want it to change. Some people say keep it the same, you know. What can I do, man? I know what I can't do. Please everybody. So that should go right there, man. There go the White Walker. And let's go get the keys. All right, dog team. So man, gotta give y'all the update on what's going on with the truck. As y'all saw, I dropped her off. It's been a couple days, man, and really been doing some motorcycle stuff. So let's see what she's looking like. Getting her work prepped up and done. Okay. So I'm gonna try to peek through, give y'all a little bit. It's probably all gonna be on the same video. Like Zeke, this video is still going. You still giving us a little bit. You know, that's all I can really do for you. Can't give you a timetable. Just know when you're not working, you are losing thousands of dollars not working. Every couple days you're not working, you losing thousands of dollars. So, you know, everybody want to get into trucking, man, but you got to be able to maintain through the down. What they say, the ups and the downs? Maintain through the downs. You can maintain through the ups with no problem. You got to be able to maintain through the downs. All right, dog team, man, it is the next day. So not only do I have the white walker in the shop, but I also got white lightning in the shop. Trying to see if y'all can see from here. My camera look hazy. Hold up. Make sure my camera lens is clear. Nah, that's just the distance got it looking like that. Alright, so apparently I wanted to run over some kind of nail or screw in my tires. I don't know what the heck it is. It seems like I'm always running over something. But I brought it in to get the nail removed and the and it patched up, you know, plugged and patched. I do the combination if they offer it. Man, this camera looking kind of bouncy. But I also have a lifetime rotation and balance, and I have a lifetime alignment. Yeah. I had to think about it for a second. So I'm like, man, I'm already in here in Firestone. Let me just go on, let them do what they do while I'm in here. See if I can get a view. So yeah, white lightning is up in the air, getting rotated and balanced. Now when I leave here, I'm going back by the shop to get a more thorough update on what's going on with the truck. My plan is to bring y'all with me so we can see what's going on. Now tomorrow, I'm hopping back on my bike again and I'm heading to Myrtle Beach. Black Bike Week, man. If you've ever been there before, drop it in the comments, man. Let me know y'all have been down to Black Bike Week. So that's the plan, man. We down. We might as well, you know, get on down, enjoy some bike time. So live your life behind the bars, man. Them two wheels and them handlebars. So that's gonna be the plan, man. I do want to shoot a video for that. Hopefully I can get some good footage. We'll see how it works. Last year, there was a freaking hurricane that came and set over the city the whole time I was there, so it kind of rained us out. This year, good weather. All right, dog team. So man, I am at this shop where my truck is. But I don't see it anywhere out here. And It was over here the other day. So maybe they got it in the paint booth. I don't know. I'm gonna walk around to this other side. Oh man. See if I see anything. Yeah, man, so he's still telling me everything's going good on the truck. Should be about another week working on it. And that's about it, man. So I don't know. I wish I could give y'all more. I was really planning on giving y'all like a big update on my truck, but doesn't look like it's happening. I don't think it's happening, Captain. Let me peek around here, see if I see it. Nope, don't see it over here either. Uh-oh. We got action. Ooh, man, it's dusty in there. Alright. Alright, so we are in the shop. We are in the paint booth, man. Trying to get ready, trying to get right. We can't see much more going on with that. But that's good news. We at least are. Once they start painting, man, everything else is down here, hopefully putting stuff back together. So that's the only update I got for you, man. He's saying next week. We'll see. Like I said, I'm gonna go hang out in Myrtle Beach for a few days until I can get back right, man. I guess I need to show y'all. I'll do some video on maybe around the house, and then I'll wrap the video in. And, we'll go from there. What's up, dog team, man? We're doing a follow-up on my truck. I think I'm just gonna put it all in one video. I think I may have ended the last video, and I'm just gonna come over here and keep following up on it until we get it right. Ooh, okay. All right. Look like she might be kind of ready. Alrighty. She look a little fixed up, man. I'm gonna have to get another IFTA sticker over here because they pulled it off. And man, I'm trying to see if I see any kind of bows or anything. You can definitely tell there's fresh paint on it. Yep. Back camera up and take a look. Man, I got a spider on my. I see that spider. Y'all know I don't be doing no bugs. I actually got hit by a wasp yesterday, man. I was so mad. Alright, I'm over here at this chrome shop in West Memphis, man. I just happened to swing through for a minute, but ooh, they got some nice looking stuff over here. Got the LEDs in the freaking mirror covers. But I think I just want a plain chrome one. 129, so you gotta always multiply by 2 because they don't come in sets. So that's 260 for those. Ooh, I just bought these, and you gotta multiply. Oh crap! You gotta multiply this price times 2. But so far, man, they working good. No complaints at all on that.
What is this? I don't even know what some of this stuff is, man, but they got enough chrome for every part of your truck that you want. Ooh, they even got floor mats. Oh man, they got a freaking T680 on the floor mats. I need me one in all black. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get it in all black. Cause it'll look kind of crazy with me having a red floor mat. I definitely like it. I think I like this feel of the rubber better than the one that I got in there now. I'm gonna keep looking around this store and see what else I find. All right, Dawg team, man, we got the paperwork, and I'm just gonna go on to the back to the total to show you all what it costs to get this truck fixed. So when you call and offer me $7,000, no sir. That's what it's gonna cost right there. Now it was like $7 grand just in labor for them to mess with the truck. So everything still looks pretty decent in here. Make sure I don't see nothing crazy, cause I promise you I'm looking. I am looking. Walk around, walk. Uh-oh, somebody blew the horn. Walk around the club. Boop, everybody. Yeah. Uh-oh. Look at there, look at there. Hey fellas, I think we got another nail in the tire. But man, I think I had a nail in this tire once before already. Maybe it's not a full nail, maybe it's just, you know what? It's holding there. We gonna ride, man. I gotta go make some money. I have got to go make some money in my truck. All right. Dirty. And I don't even want to get it washed right now. But man, hey, there we go. I'd have picked up the White Walker. Oh, you know what? Let me go start it. Let me at least make sure this thing cranks up. Be my look. Yeah, I gotta really look around and make sure everything good in here. There we go. All right, yeah, I got some dusting to do. under here. Oh, snap. Make sure my amp and everything is still installed. Yeah. I'm not seeing any power. Maybe because the radio is not on. I don't know. Let's see. There we go. Oh, did y'all know? I don't know if I ever put that video out. Maybe I gotta go back and drop that video right quick. Maybe I'll drop that video before I drop this video. Y'all like, Zeke, what are you doing, man? Man, it's trucking, man. Sometimes you don't have all the right answers. Hey man, appreciate y'all checking out these videos. Like, share, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and join the dog team. So, until the next time, baby, keep it trucking.